Good morning, guys. I'm gonna keep you over there because I look a hot mess right now and I'm tired of that. It's time I do something good. It's time I become that girl. And that's what we're going to do today. Normally, I would leave my hair like this until I'm going somewhere again, or I'm tired of seeing my hair like this. And right now, I'm very tired of seeing my hair like this. I not too long ago woke up. It's 9:31. This is a good time to wake up. I put my alarm for 10 something, and I woke up before my alarm because I had to wait for the bus with my nephew so he could go to daycare. But yeah, I don't look good. My space doesn't look good right now, so let's change that, I guess. I'm gonna brush my teeth, do a little skincare, and do my hair, definitely. So yeah, let's go. Now I'm going to do my hair because my hair looks the most horrible and I want to get that out of the way first before I do anything else. I went to the beach Saturday and I did not wash my hair. Don't judge me. Really don't judge me. Like, I gotta wash my hair. Just not today because I'm just not in the mood to wash my hair today. Like, no, that's the next day problem, not today's problem. A lot has been going on with me. I haven't posted in a while, and that's because like I don't do much. Like, I'm always at home not doing much, so I don't really post that much. I have a vlog that I edited from I think a month ago now, and I haven't posted it because I want to post back-to-back vlogs so like my audience can grow, because I think if you post back to back, like, you get more subscribers. But I haven't made another video yet, and yeah, so I haven't posted it. I think I'm just gonna post it today because what's the point of keeping it if like I'm never gonna post it? So I'm just gonna post it. My birthday is literally December 4th, so that's a month and a half away, and I'm excited. Like, yeah, I'm excited. I'm always excited for my birthday, but this year I don't know how my birthday is gonna go. Last year, me and my family and friends, we went to the beach and we jerked chicken, and yeah, we swam and had fun. But I really don't know how it's gonna go. I wanted a phone for my birthday because the phone I have now, it's a Samsung A03, I think, and it's not very good. Like, the storage is so full. It's 90 or 99% full, and what can I do about that? Absolutely nothing, because I have a memory card like in the phone and all my pictures are on it, and I tried putting all the apps that I downloaded on it, and I couldn't put a few, but the ones that I could put, I placed on the memory card. And you would never believe it, well, you will, my storage is still full and I can't do anything about it because it's not like my photos are keeping up space, or my music, or my apps. It's the system. And how do you fix the system? I can't, so I need a new phone. Like, all the apps on my phone are shutting down one by one, and I don't know what to do. I don't have money to buy any phone, and I don't want a Samsung again. I would like to get an iPhone. The phone I'm using to record, it's going through it. The battery is swelling, so I would like to have a backup phone, like an iPhone, to use to record, to do my YouTube. Like, I can't fix this one. This is a Hawaii, and I can't fix it because I went to the phone shops and I asked if they could fix it, and they said they didn't do Hawaii. They only do literally Samsung and iPhone. Like, what the hell? There's other phones in the world, you know. So I can't fix it, and I don't know what to do because the battery is swelling, and when it's done, it's just gonna be done, and then I'm not gonna have anything to record, because this definitely cannot be used to record, because if it was, I would have started my YouTube long time ago. Believe me. I told myself before my 17th birthday I would become something on YouTube. Like, I've always wanted to become an influencer, like somebody that everybody knows. Like, I would have my own small little audience of people. It wouldn't have to be much. I thought I would at least reach somewhere, but things haven't gone as planned at all. That's so sad. And there's nothing much I can do. Like, I am going to continue posting videos, but my dream of becoming something by the age of 17 is not going to, well, I have a whole year of being 17, so I am wrong, but I did want it to start before I turned 17. So yeah, that's my dilemma. We're all looking good. I don't look like a douchebag anymore. Like, I look presentable. Yes. I'm hungry. What am I gonna eat? I don't know. Nobody has went to the supermarket, so there's nothing in this house to eat. Damn. Your girl is going through it. Like, I am being put through the rocks and the mud. There's nothing here to eat. some laundry because I haven't washed in 2 weeks and I think I have a couple clothes to wash. So I'm gonna do some laundry real quick. I don't think it's gonna be long. Okay, y'all, I just finished eating and cleaning the kitchen, and I was gonna wash, but there's no detergent, so I will not be washing today. I guess I'll wash tomorrow. I don't know. So I was just editing the video I'm making now, and I am feeling a little bit sleepy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my alarm for 1 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock now, so I'm gonna get an hour of sleep and I will wake up. So I'm gonna take a quick nappy nap and I'll be back. Come please. He ran there. This is why I don't like taking him outside the walk. I just finished showering not too long ago. And I'm gonna eat. I think they cooked rice and pork. I'm not sure. I'm not a fan of pork, but there's nothing else to eat, so I have to take it. Kiss forever, kiss forever. Baby, something turns into lava. Don't be dramatic, it's only y'all. Yeah, I literally have to get dressed right now because my told me to get dressed because we're going somewhere, and because this is short notice, I'm gonna put on something quick, something ready to go. So I'm ready. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna continue to edit this video. I hope y'all like and subscribe and you're having fun, because I am. Like, a day in my life, and the video is already so long and I don't know why. I think I'm gonna make like a day in my life every day, like today, then tomorrow, then the other day. Like, if I do that, then I think I'll have enough content to post like twice or thrice a week. I don't know. But yeah.
I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out.
Thanks for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Yesterday I didn't really vlog much when I went out because, you know, like, where am I gonna take out the camera? But I did have fun. We went to get Burger King, and we went to Panda, which is like this city or whatever, and then we went to the beach to relax. So that's all I did yesterday. I didn't show you the beach part, but I think y'all get the gist. I had fun. I had a good day yesterday. That was very unexpected yesterday, and I liked it. But I hope you like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again. Bye.